Welcome back to your French class. In the last video, we were doing few exercises on article and we did till statement number 5, and in this video we are going to continue with statement number 6. Veux-tu du café? Non, j'ai déjà bu le café que tu m'as versé tout à l'heure. Tu es sûr que tu ne désires pas un peu de café? Il est bon. C'est le café de l'épicerie au coin de la rue. Now here again we are talking about quantity. So we have used article partitif. Okay, so let's translate the sentence. Veux-tu du café? Do you want some coffee? Non. J'ai déjà bu le café que tu m'as versé tout à l'heure. No, I already drank the coffee that you poured for me a while ago. Tu es sûr que tu ne désires pas un peu de café? With un peu, we always use the. Okay. Are you sure you don't want a little coffee? Il est bon. It is good. C'est le café. This is the coffee. De l'épicerie, from the store. Au coin de la rue, from the corner store. Okay. From the store at the corner. Now, the next statement. Il y a dash nuages dans le ciel. Il va sûrement pleuvoir car il y a de plus en plus dash nuages noirs. Okay. Now again, clouds are here in plural. The word is given in its plural form. So, we'll write they. Il y a des nuages dans le ciel. Il va sûrement pleuvoir car il y a de plus en plus. Now again, nuage is given in its plural form. So, we'll write they. Okay. So, what does it mean? There are some clouds in the sky. It is surely going to rain because there are more and more black clouds. Okay. Now, the next statement. Here, conversation is going on between two. Est-ce qu'il y a beaucoup d'échauffants? Now, with beaucoup, I gave you a simple idea that we always use the, because the word is starting with a vowel. So, I am dropping E here and I am putting this sign. Est-ce qu'il y a beaucoup d'enfants? Does he have many children? They are talking about a person. Okay. Now, the other person is replying, il en a trois. He has 3. This en is for d'enfant. Okay. Rien que dash garçon. Now, garçon is written in plural form. So, we'll write they. Rien que is used here for only. Okay. Nothing but only in that way. Il n'a pas dash fille. Means he doesn't have any girl child. Means he doesn't have any daughter. Je m'étonne que tu ne connaisses pas dash fils dash Durand. Suppose Durand is the person about whom they are talking, and he is saying, I am surprised that you don't know, or you are not aware, or you don't know about the sons of Durand. Okay, about this person's sons. Je m'étonne que tu ne connaisses pas dash fils. Les fils de Durand. Okay. Now the next one. Chez Denis, on mange beaucoup. With again beaucoup. I gave you a little idea that with always beaucoup we use the. Chez Denis, on mange beaucoup de légumes. At the place of Denis, we eat a lot of vegetables. Denis adore les légumes. With adorer, we always use article défini. Est-ce que Denis prend du thé? Does Denis take some tea? Mais non. Il ne boit pas de thé. He does not drink tea. Il trouve que le thé, he thinks that the tea est mauvais pour la santé, is bad for health. Il préfère. Now, préférer is also from the same category. Aimer, détester, adorer, préférer. with which we always use article défini. So, we will write le because jus is masculine. Il préfère le jus. He prefers juice. À midi, at noon, Dennis prend dash af. Now, af is written in plural form. Des af. Riz is plural. So, we will write du riz et un verre de jus and a glass of juice. Comme dessert, like dessert, il prend des fruits. He takes some fruits. Il n'aime pas, now again from the same category, aimer, adorer, détester and préférer. We are going to use article défini. Glace is feminine, so we will write la. Il n'aime pas la glace. He does not like ice cream. Il déteste. Again, déteste is again from the same category. So, article défini. Chocolat is masculine, so I have written le. Il déteste le chocolat. He dislikes chocolate. Now, statement number 10. Les Français aiment dash musée. Now, here we are talking about museums and the word is given in its plural form and we are talking about aimer, the same verb from the category. So, we will write article défini. Les Français aiment les musées. À Paris, il y a dash Louvre, musée d'Orsay et beaucoup dash petits musées aussi. Now, à Paris, il y a le Louvre because Louvre is a museum's name. So, we will use article défini. Musée d'Orsay is also a museum's name. So, again we are going to write le with musée, le musée d'Orsay et beaucoup de petits musées aussi. With beaucoup, I have told you we always use de. Beaucoup de petits musées aussi. Des Anglais connaissent bien Rodin. Now, here we are talking about people of England. So, we will write les Anglais connaissent bien Rodin means the English people know well about Rodin. Aujourd'hui, il y a beaucoup. With beaucoup, we always use the and the next word is starting with a vowel. So, I am dropping E and putting this sign. Il y a beaucoup d'Anglais qui admirent dash sculpture. Now, sculpture is written in its plural form. So, we will write les sculptures et d'œuvres de Rodin. Again, we will write les because sculpture and d'œuvres, both the things belong to Rodin. So, we are writing here article défini. Qui sont présentes ici, which are presented here. Means the English people, many English people admire the sculptures and designs or the drawings or the artwork of Rodin which is presented here. Here means in the museums. Okay. Dash musée français et dash musée anglais sont assez semblables. Means the French museums and the English museums, means the museums of England, are quite similar. So, for writing the means article défini, I am going to use les musées français et les musées anglais sont assez semblables, means the French museums and the English museums are quite similar. Now, the next question, question number 4. Complétez avec les articles définis, indéfinis, partitifs, contractés. Here we have been given with some options: le, la, un, une, du, de la, au, des, etc. Now, statement number 1. Voilà dash cahier. A cahier. Here is a notebook because till this time notebook doesn't belong to anyone. This statement is not showing it belongs to anyone. So, it is anyone. For anyone we use article indéfini. So, voilà un cahier. There is a notebook. C'est dash cahier dash garçon. this is dash notebook dash boy. So now it belongs to the boy. So we'll write c'est le cahier du garçon. This is the notebook of the boy. Now it belongs to him. So we have written here with cahier, we have written here article défini. And for showing off the, we have used du. Okay, here we have used article contracté. Okay, so we'll move on. Je donne dash cahier dash professeur. I give, or I am giving the notebook to the teacher, to the professor. So I am giving a particular notebook. Je donne le cahier dash. I am giving the notebook to the. For showing to the, again I need article contracté. So you'll write au because professor is masculine. Au professeur. Okay. Now the next one. J'aime beaucoup dash gâteau. I like cake so much, because again we are talking about liking, aimer. So I'll write j'aime beaucoup les gâteaux. J'achète dash gâteau à dash pâtisserie. So j'achète des gâteaux à la pâtisserie. Okay, pâtisserie is feminine, so we have used here la, à la pâtisserie. Now, j'adonne dash argent. I give some money, because money is masculine but it is starting with a vowel, so we'll go with vowel case. De l'argent. Je donne de l'argent dash pâtissier. So, au. Je donne de l'argent au pâtissier means I give, or I am giving money to the confectioner. So these were few mixed sentences of les articles. If you have any doubt, do ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.